Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sideload applications on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically sideloading applications in all intents and purposes just means installing apps from outside of the Microsoft or Windows Store. And in addition to downloading apps that are not in the Microsoft or Windows Store, it also means installing non-certified software. So basically applications that might not have valid certificates, which is common for plenty of programs, especially smaller applications and perhaps older applications as well. So if you're looking to go ahead and turn on the side loading of application feature, open up the search menu, type in for developers. Best result should come back with developer settings. Go ahead and open that up. Where it says install apps from any source, including loose files, go ahead and select inside that oval to toggle it on. So turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risk or harm your device. Turn on developer mode, select yes, and again, this is if you want to, obviously sideload applications. You have to do that if it's not signed, or like it said, it's not in the Microsoft Store, which there are plenty of applications that aren't, just to, put it out there. But pretty straightforward process, guys. Process is very similar for Windows 10 computers as well. You just would search again for developers. So it works for Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.